Place aluminum foil in your fridge and prepare to be surprised. You'll never have this problem again, and you'll save money on your energy bills. I'm sure you've never used aluminum foil like this before. Once you understand the purpose, you'll want to try it right away. Here's a simple step to start with. Grab a roll of aluminum foil, tear off a small piece, and open your fridge door. Place the foil in the fridge door so that it sticks out. You'll notice you can easily pull it out. This indicates that your fridge seal isn't working properly. To fix it, here's a quick trick. Turn off the fridge for a moment. Take a hairdryer, set it to warm air, and gently heat the rubber seal around the fridge door. The heat will dry and soften the rubber, allowing it to stick better to the fridge. Now repeat the foil test. Place the aluminum foil between the door and the fridge again. This time the foil won't slide out. It means the seal is now tighter. Thanks to this, you'll save energy and money on your bills. Only 10% of people know about the fridge button that can save you money on your electricity bill. Your refrigerator has a small but incredibly useful button that helps reduce energy consumption without compromising the quality of your stored food. This button, especially in winter, can save energy while keeping your food fresh. A refrigerator runs continuously all day, making it one of the most energy-consuming appliances in your home. Most models have a dial or control panel that allows you to adjust the temperature, usually from 1 to 5 or 6. During colder months, setting the fridge to level 2 or 3 is enough, and if it's not very full, even level 1 can work. This adjustment keeps the temperature between 36 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for fresh products, while lowering energy use. In summer, when the room temperature rises, or the fridge is more loaded, it's better to increase the cooling level to prevent food from spoiling. It's a small change that takes no effort, but brings noticeable savings. Do not use a toothbrush to clean dirt from your refrigerator gasket. It's a mistake that can be costly. When the gasket becomes dirty, discolored, or yellowed, avoid cleaning it with a toothbrush, dish brush, or rough sponge, as this could damage it. There's a better solution for such gaskets. Prepare a small bowl and pour in half a cup of regular water. Warm water is fine. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix well. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and stir until all ingredients are dissolved. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, spray the gasket on the refrigerator door, and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then, wipe it gently with a soft cloth. The ingredients in this solution will remove dirt, whiten the yellowed material, and eliminate mold spores that may be hiding in the gasket's crevices. Regular cleaning with this simple and effective mixture will keep your refrigerator gasket cleaner and brighter. With just this easy trick, your refrigerator will look like new. Put bubble wrap in your fridge. Once you try it, you'll never throw it away again. You'll be surprised at how useful it is. This simple trick has made my life easier and saved me money. Cleaning the fridge usually takes a lot of time and effort, but I found the perfect solution. Instead of tossing out bubble wrap, use it to line your fridge shelves. It will keep them cleaner for longer. But the real game changer is using it in the produce drawer. Fruits and vegetables often roll around, bumping into other items, which causes them to spoil faster. When they sit directly on a hard surface, delicate produce gets bruised and goes bad quickly. Bubble wrap solves this problem. Simply cut a piece of bubble wrap to fit the bottom of your produce drawer, lay it down, and then add your fruits and veggies. You'll notice they stay in place, last longer, and stay fresher. My mother-in-law showed me these methods. Since then, my fridge is always clean and fresh. Put toilet paper in the fridge. I'm sure you'll thank me for this. Make a paste from baking soda by mixing 2 tablespoons of soda with a little water. Apply the paste to the top and bottom of the toilet paper roll, pressing it in thoroughly. Wait for it to absorb, then place the roll in the fridge. It will absorb all the unpleasant odors, keeping it fresh longer. Don't use a toothbrush to clean the fridge seal. It might damage it. Instead, make a simple mixture. Half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Spray the seal, wait 2 minutes, and wipe it with a soft cloth. This method not only removes dirt, but also whitens and eliminates mold. Check the fridge seal by inserting a bill between the door and the wall. Close the fridge and try to pull it out. If it comes out easily, the seal isn't working properly, and the fridge is using more energy. To improve its adhesion, apply some petroleum jelly. It will restore its flexibility and seal the door. Check this trick and see the difference. Clean your fridge with vinegar, and you'll forget about frost on the back wall. Dilute 3 tablespoons of vinegar in a quart of water and wipe the inside of the fridge. Vinegar prevents freezing, removes unpleasant odors, and eliminates mold. Wipe the inside with glycerin. It will create a protective layer and also prevent frost buildup. Before going on vacation, I put a cup with a coin in the freezer. The coin trick might seem strange, but it works. Take a cup and fill it with water. Carefully place it in the freezer so the water doesn't spill. Close the freezer and wait until the water freezes solid. Then place a coin on top of the frozen surface. It doesn't matter what coin you use. If, after you return from vacation, the coin is at the bottom of the cup, it means there was a power outage or malfunction while you were away. The water must have melted, the coin sank, and then everything froze again. If the coin is still on top, everything was fine, and your frozen food is safe to eat. When a power outage or malfunction occurs during your absence, the food in the freezer can thaw and then refreeze. Sometimes all it takes is a poorly closed freezer door. In such cases, the contents are no longer safe to eat. The coin trick helps you make sure your freezer was working properly the whole time you were gone. Use an empty water jug to save space in your fridge with this simple hack. In a few easy steps, you'll create more room for your favorite foods. Start with an empty water jug and cut it into 4 parts. You'll need 2 strips and the bottom of the jug. The top part with the cap can be discarded or kept to cover snacks on a table or patio to protect them from insects. Next, prepare 3 plates for your food. I used 1 plate for apples. Place 1 strip of the jug around the plate with apples, ensuring all the fruits are inside the strip. Then, place another plate on top. I used this one for sliced oranges. Again, place a strip of the jug around this plate. Now it's time for the top tier. I placed a cake on the last plate and put it on top of the previous layers. Finally, cover the plate with the cake using the bottom part of the jug. Now, you can easily fit this makeshift container into your fridge, where fitting 3 separate plates would have been impossible. Additionally, your food is protected from any unwanted insects that might find their way into the fridge.